Yes po, COA is an independent body po.
Okay. So in that case, COA should be free from political pressure? Tama? In your own opinion?
COA po is an independent body. Wala po. Opo, independent.
Free dapat siya from legislative inference.
Opo, independent po ang COA.
And free dapat siya from executive control.
Your Honor, please ask and answer.
No, Your Honor.
Independent body. That's what an independent body means.
Your Honor, please, we are
I'll
asking
give her
sets
some
of
leeway for
questions.
emphasis, Counsel.
Okay, so
Please answer the question, Eileen. Independent from the executive.
Yes po.
Okay. So, it is important that the COA's findings be solely based on its procedures and evidence. Do you agree with that?
Yes po.
Okay. And any information that is obtained outside, no, should be verified by appropriate audit procedures. Tama?
Opo.
Your Honor, please, the question is vague. What does
Ask and
counsel
answer,
mean?
Your Honor. Already.
Asked and answered, and I know where she's going at.
Yes.
Get to it, Counsel.
Okay. And yet, yung second ND po ninyo, no, inadapt nyo po yung supposed results of investigation dun sa CGGPA hearings. Tama?
Kasi po, ito po.
Hindi, ang tama, yes or no lang po.
Your Honor,
Nag-adapt-
don't answer. The question is misleading. This witness is being asked if she adopted the findings. No, Your Honor. This witness just said that there was an there was an admission by Gina Acosta herself. What findings is she talking about?
Your Honor,
I
please.
think she's referring to the notice of disallowance of March 31, 2026, where it stated in the second paragraph that they, after evaluation and with due consideration of the evidence given during the CGGPA hearings. I think that's what you're leading to, Counsel. It's a valid question.
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, I was about to quote the findings in the ND had the good counsel not stopped me.
It's a valid
from doing
question
so.
because they quoted it themselves in the notice of disallowance.
Yes, Your Honor. So, eto bang mga findings ninyo with respect to La Chica? Natanong niyo po ba si La Chica kung totoo ito?
We base lang po sa naging admission under oath ni Miss Gina Acosta dun sa hearing.
Okay. How about si Colonel Nolasco? Tinanong niyo ba kung tama yung mga pinagsasabi about sa kanya, no, doon sa hearing ng CGGPA?
We base lang po dun sa naging admission under oath ng CGGPA hearings po.
Okay, salamat po.